What I wish I knew at 10 instead of 20? Sneezing isn't just random, it's a crazy body hack. Alright, let's dive in. Sneezing is like your body's superpower to clean house. Imagine this. You're breathing in dust, pollen, or even a tiny bug. Gross, right? But here's the cool part. Your brain signals your nose to go into overdrive. A sneeze blasts out at 100 miles per hour. That's faster than most cars on the highway. And it doesn't stop there. Ever notice how you can't sneeze with your eyes open? That's your body protecting your peepers from flying germs? Crazy fact? Some people sneeze when they look at bright light. It's called the photic sneeze reflex. Makes you rethink sunbathing, huh? So next time you sneeze, remember, your body's just being awesome. Share your favorite memory fact in the comments. Or tell us what cool topic we should explore next. Hit that like button if you learned something new.